How to claim Amazon Prime student discount. The first things first is you need to have a working email address so you can interact or sync it to the account that you'll be creating. So I'm currently on Amazon.com's official site specifically for. So what you want to do first is just heading directly to join Prime student and you will be redirected here. So instead of paying $15 a month, if you're qualified or all your documents you'll be needing to upload to, instead that you are a actual student, basically, is you will be getting a 6 months free. So after 6 months has passed, you should be only paying around $7.49 per month. So once you're here, just heading directly to start your 6 month trial, and you will be redirected to creating an account. So just simply input your email or your working mobile number so you can go ahead and create an account. And make sure that you do have a soft copy of the documents that you have from your school. And that's basically it. That's how you claim your Amazon Prime student discount.